Hi there, I'm Steve Hundley, and I'm so proud to introduce you to the 2010 Real Estate Marketing Summit. Now, we're hosting this summit right here in sunny San Diego. In fact, I rented the Hotel Del Coronado so that we can have a fabulous venue for our practitioners from around the country to come to and learn how to bring back their marketplace, how to bring back the real estate marketplace into their community. Our goal is to compel more buyers and sellers to enter the marketplace. Yes, it's no secret that our entire industry has been shattered by poor, negative national news and terrible economic handling and foreclosures galore and short sales and all this negative information out there. So every citizen in America is just sitting there going, wow, when is this ever going to stop? Well, guess what? That's up to you to control. You as an industry practitioner, and I'm talking to you as a broker, owner, you as a realtor, a team leader, a loan officer, a title representative, an assistant to a team, any industry affiliate, this is for you. This event is designed to provide you with groundbreaking information on how you can change the minds and the lives of millions of people from coast to coast. That's right. You're going to learn how to thought lead your way to being number one in every community. Let's think about some things right now. First of all, you're going to leave with the ability to put together a strategic marketing plan with information you'll see nowhere else. And I promise you, nowhere else. This is not the information that you'll see at a national trade show anywhere. This is not like any other event. This is an educational event. There's no vendors. There's no place to go picking up squishy balls walking down the aisle. Yes, and you're not going to hear someone say to you, send out this postcard asking for a free CMA. There's no way that's going to make a difference in today's market. You have to lead with knowledge. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you where you can get content, how to create the content that's going to answer the issues, the concerns the citizens have. That's right. If you ask 9 out of 10 homeowners and citizens in the community right now about this marketplace, they're going to tell you it's the worst market ever. But you know, as an industry practitioner, anyone that's been in this business a year or two, I've been in this business 26 years. I'm going to tell you right now, when have we seen mortgage rates that we see right now and affordability like we do right now? Has it ever happened? No. Yet 9 out of 10 people will tell you it's the worst market ever. So that's why it's our job to change that. What if I was able to show you how you could become just a gem, a magnet to the media, so that you're the one that they call on when they need a local news story? I'm going to be able to do that. How about connecting with charities? You know, and when you give to your community gives back to you. These are all grassroots techniques that don't cost a lot of money. In fact, in this industry right now, you know, right now our first step is survival, it sounds like, right? And then the next step is thriving. So we need to survive and then we need to thrive. But there's nowhere that I know of where a few $100 investment in yourself, in your career, in yourself, yes, you're investing in you, can make such a long-term difference. I'm telling you, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. There's only a few seats left. You know, obviously the Hotel Del is not gigantic, and we probably have, as I say this today, I think we have about 115 seats left. So I'm looking forward to having a great time, having you become extremely educated about how to bring back your market and how to increase your income and how to have a totally rewarding marketing success in this day and age. We're going to have forecasters telling you about where the market's going so that you're prepared for how to answer the call in your community. And we're going to show you how you can be number one in your community and how that represents you being number one in Google. We're going to show you how to use social networking and how you use blogs and all the technologies available out there, and a lot of which are available for free, so that you can thought lead your message and you can broadcast to the people that want to hear your words. This is something that is so unique, so groundbreaking, that wherever have you had this many practitioners, if you look at our speaker list, that many of which make over $1 million a year in this marketplace, agents who I've consulted for years and years and helping them understand these things, that are using it, that are coming back and giving back to you, the rest of our community, the secrets that they use, because we know that an educated practitioner is a much more productive practitioner. And this is not for everybody. Out of thousands of agents in each community, there can only be one that dominates each marketplace. So therefore, you know who you are, you know who you want to be. And if it's you, then sign up right now. Don't lose this seat, okay? And if you can't come to the Hotel Del, sign up for our virtual summit. I know that we've run out of the first batch, but we're adding another here soon, so get on the waiting list. We want you to be able to get this information. I'm telling you, your career is definitely worth, your future, your life is worth the few $100s it takes to learn this millions of dollars worth of information. Look forward to you signing up. Join up right now. Don't waste another second. We look forward to seeing you. Can't wait to meet you. Bye-bye.